Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the Binance Authenticator code. It is a very simple process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Binance app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, here we can find the option of star button right here. Now simply select it. After selecting it, tap onto your user ID. Then tap on to security option right here. After that, tap on to Authenticator app, just like this, and then tap on to enable. Now here are the steps. The first step is copy the 16-digit key like this. Now tap on to copy. Now it is copied. Now open the Binance Google Authenticator and add a new authenticator using the 16-digit key. Now simply go to your Authenticator app. If you don't have it, you can simply download it from your Play Store or App Store. Now tap on to this. Now you need to enter a setup key. Now simply tap on to enter a setup key. Then you need to paste the 16-digit keys right here. Copy this and then go to your Binance account and then tap on to next. After that, paste the code right here and then tap on to submit. And now you can see that you have got the Binance Authenticator code. And that's it. This is how you can get the Binance Authenticator code. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.